How to fix Onedrive.Exe bad image. So first of all, you can go ahead and open up your command prompt. You could search for that over here. Just go to your search and type in command prompt and run as administrator. Press on yes, and then you're gonna have to type this in, which is sfc. It's not working. So sfc space slash scan now, like so, and then just go ahead and press on enter. So you're gonna wait for the scan to complete, and then you will restart your PC. This repairs corrupted Windows system files that may be causing the error. So it's gonna take some time, but after that's done, go ahead and reset your PC or restart. If the issue does continue, you could reinstall OneDrive. So press Windows and R at the same time. This will pop out. What you're gonna do is type in appwiz.cpl and then press on OK. You'll be able to find your OneDrive here, your Microsoft OneDrive, uninstall that, and then download and install the latest version from Microsoft's official website. So those are a few options you have if you are having this Onedrive.exe bad image notification. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.